I'm going to show you how I'm going to repair the T1-11 wood rot. I'm not going to show you how to speak, but I will show you how to repair this wood rot. We noticed that it was rotten because there's a hole that made it all the way through. We dug out the clearance all the way down to the foundation and realized I need 10 inches. 10 inches of about 48 inches across. That's a full width of the T1-11 board. We have a piece here. What we're going to do is remove this trim. It's called brick molding around the door. I'll draw a chalk line, circular saw, cut it out, remove that piece, and just put the other piece up. Follow along if you like. Just do it. Get rid of this brick molding. Get it out of the way. Pry bar. We want to put this back on, so we're going to try to be gentle with it. We'll do that all the way up to the top. Take that piece off. We'll get back to you when we're ready to draw a chalk line to cut that piece out. Time to get a chalk line. Now that we have it measured out, a mark here. And draw the chalk line tight. Bingo. I have a line across which I can cut. And we're going to cut that up and replace it with a nice piece of T1-11. Well, a nice repurposed piece of T1-11. Now we're going to have to cut this with the circular saw, which is going to be kind of tricky, but if I go slow, I should be okay. That's as close as I'm going to get to that hinge over there from this side. Okay, now I need the multi-tool to get that last piece because I don't want to splinter it. Freedom. Bingo. We got the piece cut to size. Now we just have to try to get the lines up for aesthetic purposes. See if we can get it lined up. Up. There you go. It's in. It's there. That's where it needs to be. Now we have to attach the bottom of this and that. And we're good to go. I'll do a little filling of the crack just for water penetration purposes, and that's it. You notice the blue tape. That's because once you put this piece in, I can't see where the posts are located that I need to attach this to. So I'm going to do this just to hold it up there. And I'll follow up with the screws after I caulk. You're welcome. Okay, so what I did was I caulked on the bottom. That was never there before, but I just did it as an extra barrier for moisture getting into the sill plate, if you will. And I caulked around, and that's pretty much it. Besides treating the wood with the waterproofing material, I think we should be good to go. And that's how you replace a piece of rotted T1-11.